We saw various features of AJAX and we have seen this in our web development languages. Now let's try to implement both of them, Laravel and AJAX. AJAX is nothing but asynchronous JavaScript and XML, and it is a set of web development techniques utilizing many web technologies on the client side. For example, if you want to show only a portion of an image instead of reloading it, you use it with the help of AJAX. And on the server side, you actually get the response function to send the response to the client, and it is received with the help of a JSON object. Now let's implement AJAX and Laravel and let's try to check like how it works it. So let's create a view. I'll go to our controller like a notepad++, and I will save this file inside the views section, that is nothing but resources views, and inside views I'll create a file name message.php. so my new view is nothing but message.php. Here I'll create a particular view, and that view will be a simple HTML thing, nothing more. We'll focus on the body for now. We'll forget about the issues related to head. So HTML body and inside body we'll create a particular function, and before that in the head section we need to implement a script, JavaScript, so that's why we'll use it inside the head section. Head title, so inside title we'll mention what will be the title thing, that is AJAX example. See, all the web application comes with the enclosure with different type of examples, like implementing different type of frameworks, AJAX, JavaScript in one framework and so on. So we'll do that only, and I'll implement a script over here. The script is inbuilt. I'm going to just copy paste it, like it's nothing but our jQuery script. So it's a jQuery CDN. I'm going to paste it right now. So the CDN I've included over here. This you can get it online anywhere. Is just a CDN library, and I'm just using it. Now I'll define a function get message. So this is my AJAX function, and I'm going to define it here. Function get message $.ajax. okay, and inside this I'm going to define the logic for AJAX. I'll say type :post URL :get message data data will be taken as a token, so it will be underscore token equal to PHP echo, which we did in previous chapters, like how a value is taken in a form token, and I'm going to end this particular PHP script. So this is my particular data token, and I'll create a function, that is success function data dollar message. This refers to the element which has a name as message. We will define it right now inside the body section, don't worry about it. In the HTML data dot message. Now I have created a script. So this message will be associated inside the body tag with a div ID equal to message. Okay, so this is my div, and my message will be, this message will be replaced by AJAX. Click the button to replace the given message. Okay, now I'll create a PHP form like we've seen in the previous example. PHP form echo form button replace message on click get message. Okay, now I have done this. Now let's create a controller. So I'll move inside our command prompt. The controller name will be AJAX controller, that is PHP artisan AJAX. So make controller AJAX controller. Call to the undefined method. Okay, yeah, it is going in the similar way. Okay, the controller has been created successfully.